Here's a special project we took on. B&W, the owner stated he had a lot of internal damage and he knew that and he was aware of that. In his infinite wisdom, he took 80 grit sandpaper and went at it with these lights. Those are 80 grit sanding marks. I don't even carry 80 grit in my toolbox. So we gotta make it better than what it was. And here it is. You could see the internal damage, but we got it looking presentable. He could see at night, and that's what he wanted. He couldn't see anymore after he went at it with the 80 grit. Even though he has some internal damage, it still looks a lot better. South Florida, Broward County, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach counties. Give us a call, text us your pictures, make an appointment. We come to your home, office, wherever you like us. 754-302-0769.